cloudy in the morning, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s. This is a test of the Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WNG698 listening area of north central Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The forecast for north...
Heaven's sakes, that was way sooner than I was expecting it to be. I was expecting to wait a little bit longer, just like how it was last week, but they just issued it pretty much right at 11 o'clock. It was crazy. Yes, thank you for that, Mox. Thank you.
You're welcome.